inashuka chini.
Right here is a very massive dam. It's able to hold a capacity of 2 million liters of water. This is a place called Ekalakala, and this farm is called Ekalakala Farm. This is Irimo Moshai from Aqua Hub, Kenya. At Aqua Hub, you know, we serve you farmers and agri-investors looking for solutions in greenhouses, irrigation systems, water pumps, and solar dryers. I'm going to walk you through the journey of one drop.
Hello, good evening our good farmers. Ndo tumefika saa hii Makongeni. We are still heading to Matu at a place called Karakara. Now we have arrived at the site with our materials. Tumeanza na drip line ndo ziko juu. And now we come to the guys are doing. So we are now confirming the material for the plant. Ndo tunaweza one by one to make sure kitu yenye yote tuli include kwa quotation yako kama client tumepata. So here I start with the drip lines. Here tuko na pipe yetu ya 16 mm. We also have our dam right now here 0.75 mm. So this is our dam. Na hii dam yetu ni 34 by 34 meter. Masaa ya kuweka raina tumeipanga hapa, ndo sasa tunataka kuanza kuiweld. Hapa tutashikanisha. Jiteni hapo kando. Hata kwa mtu. Konde, kaba. Haya, 1 2 3 konde. Hapo sawa mgeni. Haya, 1 2 3 konde. Done with our dam liner installation, which the measurement was 34 by 34 meters, which is going to accommodate 1.8 million liters. Tunaanza sasa kuchukua maji kutoka kwa river ndo tulete kwa reservoir yetu. Sasa tunapeleka pipe yetu ya 3 inch kwa river. Hii sasa ni 3 inch. Ndio ndio na water source. Kando na hapo. Tuna pia plant kuna plenty of water. Weka machine mafuta. Hapa ni kwa sanction pipe, pia tunajaza maji. The inlet, outlet ndo hii tumeweka belt. Ni Masinga Dam. Hapo ndo tunatoa maji yetu, and this distance from the water source mpaka kwa dam ni 700 meters. So we want to start our pump. Tupeleke maji nyumbani sasa.
1 2 3. Up. 7.59.
Today I'm here at my farm and I'm so excited to have Aqua Hub Kenya just made for me a dam liner, and I'm so excited to see this water. Woo! We can't even leave this place. Wow!
Hey!
Maji iko.
Maji tunayo tuna.
Maji tunayo.
Ndio hii hapa. Waonyeshe dam liner. Waonyeshe dam liner. Washajiona ndio maji ndio inashuka chini.
Unaonaje?
Yeah. Aqua Hub all the way.
So after installing our 0.75 dam liner, this is now the resort. Dam yetu mnaona iko karibu kuja, and it's enough to serve the 7 acres ya kulima. Tunaona venye imejaa vizuri. Alafu sasa ndo tuweke kwa our drip line. We start with laying our pipes, ndo tumeanza kuzifungua kwa farm na fungua the next pipe. Hii pipe sasa ni ya 2.5 inches. Tume lay our pipes. This is our main. Hii ndio yenye inaleta maji kutoka kwa tank ndio isupply kila mahali kwa farm. This is our submain. Unatoboa hivyo, halafu sasa unaweka hii, unaitanga raba. Ni ya 16 mm pia. Unaifix vizuri. Then now unaweka sasa hii. Unaweka razor vizuri. Na ina make sure umeialign vizuri hapa kwa bed. Hii tunaitanga hydrant. Tumeigawa mara mbili. Iko na hii section na hii section. Hii section iko na 12 bends na iko na urefu wa 30 meters. So hii side, hii gate valve hii side itakuwa ina safu. Kutoka hapa mpaka 12 bed pale mali tumeweka ile hydrant nyingine. Tumeweka 4 lines per bed. Na wa drip line iko na 15 cm spacing from one emitter to the other. So hapa ni 15 cm spacing. So for the kitunguu atakuwa anapanda hapa, hapa, hapa na hapa. Kuja utupee kazi. This is now our air release valve. Hii ni ya kutoa air rock kwa main line and this is now our tap. Ndo akitaka maji anywhere anapata. Leo ni our day 7 of our installation. Tumemaliza kila kitu, tumeweka our hydrant, our mains, tumeweka our sub mains, tumeweka our taps, yani kila kitu. Tuende tufungue maji tukuje, sasa ndo tuanze kutest muone our result.
And here is our final journey of one drop feeding directly to the roots.
My name is Lucy Jambi Jonjo, an entrepreneur. I run a company called Great Mwanzo Properties, where I manage both commercial and residential properties countrywide. Today I'm at a place called Ekalakala Farm. This is my farm. I know this one is going to be a game changer for this farm. I'm so happy. The farm is therapeutic. I'm so excited to be sitting on my farm. I'm telling you, I can't wait now to start the part of this. The reason as to why I chose Aqua Hub Kenya is because I've seen them on Lynn Ngugi show as they were installing the same pipes. I saw the work that they did on her farm. It was fantastic. She walked us through the journey, and that's why I decided to engage Aqua Hub Kenya. And for sure, what I can see on this farm, I'm telling you, these people, they are professionals.
I would recommend you to choose us for your next irrigation or greenhouse project, or even your Damliner project. You ask why? Because at Aqua Hub, we are not just engineering these systems. We sit down with you, we explain to you what we are giving you so that you can be able to understand the journeys. As you're documenting our journey with you from the start, we are giving your farm a spotlight. That means we are exposing your farm to possible buyers of your produce, and that is a plus of why you should work with us at Aqua Hub Kenya. And we also have a highly professional team who are able to serve you very well, to deliver your project within the stipulated timelines that we've communicated together before we even start implementing.